Since people are not stupid, in this video, we're gonna go to Dirty Bird for the first time. I'm in San Diego, and we're gonna rate their chicken wings, because I guess they have the best chicken wings in San Diego. So, y'all keep watching. This is the Dirty Birds. It's on Mission Beach. The service was all right, but unlike Wingstop and Fire Wings, they didn't take long. They made this in less than 10 minutes. All right, so basically, we got the Dirty Bird jerk. Gonna try it with the ranch though, you know what I'm saying? See how this shit tastes. This is good. Has a weird spice to it, but it's good. This is really good. I give this 9 out of 10. Fire. 9 out of 10. The chicken is good. Flavor is good. It's hot. Ranch is good too. It's a little watery, but it could be thicker, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna try the what was the other one I got? Oh, garlic, spicy garlic. I'm gonna try that one. This is spicy garlic. I guess this is spicy garlic, like buffalo, but it's spicy garlic. We're gonna try it. These wings are a lot bigger than Wingstop wings. These wings are big. All right, let's try this one. This wing is good, but this tastes like buffalo. It don't taste like garlic. It must have gave me the wrong wing, but I'm assuming this is buffalo. But this is good though. I ain't tripping though, cause it's good. You know what I'm saying? I kind of wanted some spice, but this is good. This ain't garlic though. It's still good though. But this is better than Wingstop. This is better than Wingstop. Dirty Bird is way better than Wingstop. I get these like, this is a 10 out of 10 wing right here. This is fire. I'm not even being like biased. This is 10 out of 10. Better than Wingstop, better than Fire Wings, better than Buffalo Wild Wings. It's the best wing I ever had in my entire life. I could eat the bone. I could eat the bone marrow. No cap. But yeah, you guys want to eat a Dirty Bird? Highly recommend it. Wings are fire. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next video.